Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And this this is Django course when we are going to take a look at low level how things work. And indeed, among the goals of the course is this bottom-up understanding. And the lecture today is on working with templates. Okay, and first we need to know what is template. Templates are a crucial part of the framework for rendering dynamic web pages. It allows you to define the structure of your HTML pages while inserting dynamic content which can come from your app's data. And it also provides its own templating engine, which is a lightweight and powerful tool for designing and creating web pages. And here's the basic overview of how template work in Django. The first one we got template file. Template in Django typically should be stored in your project's setting. And each template is usually a separate HTML file with the extension .html. The second, we got template tags. Django provides template tags, which are special placeholder including curly braces. Like yeah, I will give you a I will give you an example. Yeah, turn on the notepad. Yeah, curly braces like this. Percent. Yeah, is here. Here's the example. Here is example. Yeah, of template tags. And template tags are used to insert dynamic content, control flow, and perform other operation in your templates. Later I will show you how to use this template tags. And yeah, indeed, we got context. When you render a template, you pass, you pass, you pass in a context dictionary containing data you want to display in the template. And this content can be include variables, objects, or other data that you want to access within the template. Okay, all right. Yeah, the final one we got rendering. To render a template, you use Django's template rendering engine, which takes the template file and the context data, the processed template text, and generate the final HTML output. Keep in mind, the rendered HTML can be sent to client browsers as an output. Yeah, I've go through all the basic knowledges of templates. It seems kind of tedious, and now we jump over at PyCharm and do some code. Yeah, and let's see what's actually happening underneath the hood. Okay, keep in mind, yeah, keep in mind that each app will be embedded with the template. I will explain it later. Yeah, I will explain it why. Yeah, we got the folder app apps. I will create a directory, new directory. Yeah, directory name I will name templates. Okay, we got directory template, and next we'll create a folder in it. The directory we create a folder. It must be apps. Why? As I mentioned before, each app will be embedded with a template. So it will have the same name. Yeah. And in here we create a HTML file and name it index. Yeah, index.html. And here's the basic structure of a file HTML. I would use it. In the very first lesson. I would use it. Uh, Here's the title about pages. I will Yeah, I will change it. Hello. Hello. And our content will be put in the body tag, right? So I created tag h1. This is my template. Okay. And I created another tag, which is p. Okay. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Okay. Back to the file views.py read dev. I create a function dev request, and I return render, render. It must be our request first. And the path, I render the path to our file index.html. Yeah, the path is apps index.html. Yeah, okay. It seems correct. Now I will run my server. Python manage run server. Okay. Okay, hello. This is my template and nice to meet you. Okay. Yeah, you can see that's quite easy, right? Now we showed you. Now we showed you guys how to use context, which I've mentioned before in the theories of template. Yeah, and right back to our views here. I initialized variable your name, your underscore name is equal. I assume your name is Tung Lam. Yeah. So the question is, how can I pass variable in this parameter? And following this case, I have to add a direction name, comma, add a direction name. Okay. And name here is your name. Okay. All right. It seems correct. Let me check. Okay. Then back to our file index.html. I create a t tag. Yeah. Yeah. Create a here's name. It must be name, right? And I run it. Python manage.py run server. This is my template. Nice to meet you, Tong Lam. Yeah, and if you want this name, you want it will be stand out. Yeah, you will change our tab like you change P to B and run again. Python server. Okay, look, you can see here the name have been the name has been stand out. Okay, yeah. I can see that we got a problems here. Yeah, nice to meet you. And Tung Lam is not in the same line, so yeah, I have to copy it and put it inside the p tag. Yeah, so and run it again. Run it again. Or you may just load it. Just refresh it. Must be run again. Right, Python manage .py run server. This is my template. Nice to meet you, Tung Lam. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I will show you another way. Yeah, if you don't want to initialize a variable like this, you can um you can you can do even like this. You add a variable. You can add variable context here. Context is equal here name your name here and your sorry I just deleted it is equal what like Tuấn yeah and you delete this and change it into context. Okay, it seems correct. Run it again. Manage .py run server. This is my template. Nice to meet you, Tuấn. Okay, and that's about all the theories. I mean, all the basic theories, the templates. Okay, and I will show you how to work with file views.py and create a file index.html and how to deal with it, how to deal with it. Okay, and I hope through this lesson you can understand and you can manipulate templates in your own project. Anyway, thanks for watching.